India considers 1963 agreement between Pakistan and China as illegal. Therefore, any activity in Shaksgam Valley is concerned, we do not approve of it, and in this terms, MEA has already issued these statements. Therefore, the joint statement which has been issued in China, what I understand about the CPEC 2.0, we do not accept it, and we consider that it is an illegal action which is being carried out by the two nations.
Sakshigam Valley, a strategically important place for Indian Armed Forces and Indian government. Located above Siachen Glacier, bordered with the Chinese territory and Gilgit-Baltistan. This particular territory has been given to the Chinese government according to the Pakistan in 1963. But in 1963, it was clarified by the Indian government that Pakistan doesn't have any right to give this territory to the Chinese government. But now in 2026, China claims this territory as their own, and now they are planning to build an all-weather road from Sakshigam Valley under CPEC. This road particularly will reduce the distance from Gwadar port to the China from 60,000 km to 5,000 km. It is gonna be very disadvantageous for Indian Armed Forces and Indian government. But Indian COAS, Chief of Armed Staff General Upendra Dwivedi, has clarified that if there is any activity in this Sakshigam Valley, will be taken as a national threat. Jai Hind.